In this guide, I'll show you how to restore game save data on PS5 and fix lost single player or online progress. So, if you're a PlayStation Plus member and you're usually connected to your internet, all of your game saves would have been automatically uploaded to the cloud. So, what we're going to do is go to Settings in the top right corner. Then you want to scroll down and look for Save Data in Game/App Settings. And here's where you'll see Save Data for PS5 games and PS4 games on your console. So go up to Save Data on PS5, and here I'll show you an example. So this is my console storage, and you'll notice I have no save file for Multiverses. So if we go back now and go to Download or Delete from Cloud Storage, we should find my Multiverses save file here. So I'm going to select it. You can also select other save files if you don't have them on your console storage but in the cloud. And then you want to go to Download in the bottom right corner. Now it's going to download this save file, and once it's downloaded, if I boot up the game, my save file will be there. So now, if we go back to this area here and go to Sync Save Data, what I recommend you do is ensure Auto Sync Save Data is enabled, and you also want to check mark all these games, so anytime you're playing, not only is your save file going to be saved on your console, but it'll also be uploaded to the cloud. Now, if we go back and go to save data for PS4 games, because they are different, if we go to upload from console storage, you have the ability to upload your save files automatically to the cloud. And if you want to get a save file from it, simply go to download or delete from cloud storage, and you should see your save file here, and you just want to check mark it and go to download. Now, once you've done that, go to auto upload here as well, and you'll also have the ability to check mark all your games. So your save files from PS4 games will automatically be uploaded to the cloud as well. So you'll never lose your save files as long as you're a PlayStation Plus member and are connected to the internet. If this guide was helpful, like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.